Happy morning, my dear children. A warm welcome to Sheba Group of Schools online class. Hope you are all well and good at your parent children. Yes, last week I taught you the lesson. Today we are going to start write the class work. Okay children, are you ready? Okay children, now everyone take your EVS class work. 192 pages, one side ruled. Okay children, now everyone open your EVS class work and write the date in the margin. Inside the margin you have to first write the date. What's date children? 2/12. Before write the class work you have to sharpen your pencil and keep the eraser with you children, and then leave the finger gap and leave one line and write. Okay children, first date 2/12. Then the lesson name the Pancha Bhutas. The after you have to leave one finger gap. Pancha after you have to leave one finger gap and write Bhutas. In every first letter should be written in a capital letter. Okay children, the Pancha Bhutas. After finishing this, leave a line, write the first Roman letter inside the margin and write the heading dictation words. First Roman letter dictation words. First word is leave a line and write number 1 inside the margin, and every first letter should be written in the capital letter only children, and touch the margin and write. Okay, first word is earth. Earth na nama bhumi. Okay, first word is earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Leave a line and then write number 2 water. Number 2 word is water. Water na enna children? Neer. Tannir. Okay, W-A-T-E-R, water. Leave a line, write number 3 inside the margin, and space. Third word is space. Space na nama vaanam. Okay, S-P-A-C-E, space. Vinveli, vaanam appla solluvom. Okay, then fourth word wheel. After finishing the third word you have to leave a line and write the fourth one wheel. Wheel na enna children? Chakkaram. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Leave a line, write the number 5 sounds. Fifth word is sounds. Sounds na enna? Oli, sattam. Okay, S-O-U-N-D-S, sounds. S-O-U-N-D-S, sounds. Okay children, now we have finished our first Roman letter. Let's move to the second Roman letter. So put the second Roman letter inside the margin. The heading is question and answer. Second Roman letter, question and answer. After finishing this, leave a line, write number 1. First question is write the name of the Pancha Bhutas. Write the name of the Pancha Bhutas. In every sentence you have to leave one finger gap children. It's must, then only your handwriting is looking nice. And leave a line. After finishing the question, put the question mark and leave a line and write answer inside the margin. Put the stars like this. First one earth. First one is the Pancha Bhutas. The 5 elements are earth, water, fire, air and space. Earth na enna children? Bhumi. Water, neer, fire, neruppu, air, kaatru, and space, agayam, vaanam. Okay children, say the spelling E-A-R-T-H, earth. Pancha Bhutas are, first one is earth, then water, W-A-T-E-R, water, fire, F-I-R-E, fire, air, A-I-R, air, and A-N-D, and space, S-P-A-C-E, space. Once again I read all the question and answer children. Write the name of the Pancha Bhutas. After finishing the question, put the question mark. The answers are earth, water, fire, air and space. At the end of the question, put the full stop children. Okay children, second question. How do we get water? How do we get water? Namakku water eppadi kedakkudunu kekranga. At the end of the question, put the question mark. After finishing this, leave a line, write the answer inside the margin. The answer is we get water from rain. நமக்கு வாட்டர் எங்கேருந்து கிடைக்குதுமா? rain. Okay, மழை பொழிஞ்சாதான் நமக்கு வாட்டர் கிடைக்கும். We get water from rain. Say the spelling of rain children. R-A-I-N, rain. We is there, get water. நீங்கள் என்ன எழுத போகிறீங்க? from rain மட்டும் தான் நம்ம எழுத போகிறோம். Okay children, how do we get from water? We get water from rain. Say the answer children. V. W-E-V. Get. G-E-T. Get. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. From. F-R-O-M. From. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. At the end of the question, put the full stop children. How do we get water? We get water from rain. After finishing this, leave a line and write the third Roman letter. Answer in detail. Write the third Roman letter. Answer in detail. First question is, write the importance of the earth. Write the importance of the earth. என்னமா கேக்குறாங்க, earth என்ன importance, earthல நமக்கு ஏன் importance கேக்குறாங்க. Okay children, after finishing the question, put the question mark and leave a line. Write the answer inside the margin. And first point, our first point is, the earth is the home for plants, animals and for all of us. First point என்ன children, the earth வந்து யாருக்கெல்லாம் ஹோமாக இருக்குமா, பிளான்ஸ்க்கு, பிளான்ஸ்னா செடிகள், அனிமல்ஸ்னா விலங்குகள், and for all of us நமக்கு ஹோமாக இருக்குது. ஓகே children, the, say the spelling, the, T-H-E, the, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, is, I-S, is, the, T-H-E, the, home, H-O-M-E, home, for, F-O-R, for, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. After finishing the plants, put the comma. Then animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, and, A-N-D, and, F-O-R, for. The earth is the home for plants, animals and for all. Say the spelling all, A-L-L, all, of, O-F, of, us, U-S, us. After finishing this, put the full stop. In each sentence, between the sentence, you have to leave the finger gap children. Then leave the line. Put the second point. We grow our food on the land. அது அதர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் என்னம்மா, we grow our food on the land. ஓகே, நம்ம இந்த லேண்டில் தான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், growing food, crops grow பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, so the spelling V, W-E-V, grow, G-R-O-W, grow, our, O-U-R, our, food, F-O-O-D, food, on, O-N, on, the, T-H-E, the, land, L-A-N-D, land. Okay children, I am repeating again. Write the importance of the earth. Answer, the first point is, the earth is the home for plants, animals and for all of us. And then second point, we grow our food on the land. After finishing the question, put the full stop. Then leave a line, write the fourth Roman letter, diagram. What's our fourth Roman letter? Diagram. We have to going to draw windmill. நம்ம என்னமா வரைய போறோம், windmill. After finishing this, put the parent sign and must get the parent sign. Children, okay children, now we are going to draw the windmill. Okay children, take a front page of the lesson. Okay, lesson start பண்ணணுமா, அந்த front pageல, இந்த unruled pageல you have to put the margin box like this. அப்படியே பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி மார்ஜின் போடணும். ஓகே, அண்ட் ரைட் த ஹெட்டிங் விண்ட்மில். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன்ஸ், அப்படியே அந்த லைட் ஸ்லாண்டிங்காக இருக்கணும் அந்த லைன்ஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், 2 ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் லைட்டாக ஸ்லாண்டாக இருக்கணும், லைட்டாக தான் இருக்கணும், ரொம்ப பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, அண்ட் ஜாயின் த 2 லைன்ஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரா லைக் திஸ். தென் இன் சென்டர் புட் த சர்க்கிள். நவ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ட்ரா த ஃபேன்ஸ் ஆஃப் விண்டுமில். விண்டுமில்லோட ஃபேன்ஸ் வரைய போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஃபேனுக்கு எப்படி 3 ரெக்கைங்க இருக்கும்ல, அதே மாதிரி விண்டுமில்லுக்கு அந்த பிளேட்ஸ். ஓகே, அந்த பிளேட்ஸ் வரைஞ்சிட்டு தென் இட் ஜாயின் தென். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், okay children, take the front page of the lesson and put the box like this. Draw the box margin and write the heading windmill. Write the heading windmill and you have to draw like this. Follow my instructions and draw children and color like this. Okay children, now you are know that how to write the classwork. Okay children, write the classwork with the neat and good handwriting. Leave a space and write, and leave a line and write, and must get the parent sign. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.